So hi everyone, we're here with Eve at the Nambour Garden Show, and Eve has been a long-term customer of mine, so I'll let her tell you what she thinks about the pots.
Hi everybody. The compots are fantastic for small gardens. I've got about 5 in my gardens, and I fill them regularly with mostly vegetables, some paper scraps. Lids are on them, you can grow from them. They are very easy to put into your garden if you have a small backyard.
Do you put meat or dairy in them?
I put dairy in, I don't put meat in. And I find them particularly good if you have dogs. They definitely deter dogs from getting in there.
Do you soak your scraps for your dogs, or do you put it in fresh?
No, I put them in fresh.
Oh, okay.
I put them absolutely in fresh, and they break down. I actually sprinkle a bit of garden soil over the top of them at each time that I'm doing layers.
Oh, yeah.
A bit of sawdust is always good as well to encourage worm activity, but there is probably around half a metre spread around the compot bin, which the soil is absolutely beautiful.
Fantastic.
You can reuse your soil, dig it up and move it around. If you find that you don't want to use that particular spot anymore, you can pull them out and replant them somewhere else in your garden.
That's awesome, Eve, thanks. And I should add that Eve designs gardens too, don't you, Eve?
I do. I have my own business, Focus on Gardens, so if you're wanting some design, some horticultural advice, call me on 0418 757 934.
Thank you, Eve. Thanks, darling.
Thank you.